Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words got stuck or came out weird or just didn't feel right? Don't worry, it's not only you. Actually, most English learners around the world make the same mistakes. And once you fix them, speaking becomes so much easier. Let's go through them one by one and notice how each mistake leads to the next. Number 1, overthinking before speaking. So the first problem starts in the head. Many people think too much before they talk. They plan the whole sentence, then they forget it, then they freeze. This is exactly where fluency dies. And because you think too much.
2. You start translating everything. When you pause to translate every single word, English feels heavy. It's like you're holding 2 languages in your head at the same time. Of course you'll hesitate. But here's the funny thing. When you stop translating, speaking becomes easier, and suddenly you stop sounding like a textbook. Which brings us to the next mistake. Using textbook English in real life. You know those perfect sentences from school? Nobody talks like that in real conversations. So you speak correct English, and people still sound confused. This usually happens because you learned English from books, not from real people.
4. You get scared of making mistakes. This fear is so common. You try to speak, you mess up a word, you feel embarrassed, and then you stop talking. But silence keeps your English stuck at the same level. And when you're scared, you switch back to something safe. 5. Memorizing grammar instead of using it. We've all done this, studying grammar for hours, thinking it will magically make us fluent. But when you speak, your brain doesn't have time to remember rules. It needs simple patterns, not long lessons. And the best way to learn those patterns is by listening, which leads to the next point.
6. Not listening enough. If you don't hear natural English every day, you can't speak natural English. Listening is what gives you rhythm, speed, and confidence. The more you hear English, the more your brain starts using those sounds automatically. And when your brain starts picking up those sounds. 7. You start speaking too softly. Another big mistake. A lot of learners do this without noticing. They speak quietly because they're not sure if they're saying it right. But speaking softly makes you feel even less confident. If you talk louder, even a little, your English immediately sounds better. So if you look closely, these mistakes are all connected. You think too much, you translate, you use unnatural English, you get scared, you memorize instead of speaking, you don't listen enough, and then you lose confidence. Fix one, and the others start improving too.